Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin through Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account using your email and a strong, unique password. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing the required personal information. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, link a payment method, like your bank account or a debit card, to fund your future purchases. Once your account is set up, deposit funds from your linked bank account or debit card directly into your Coinbase wallet. After funding, head over to the Buy/Sell section within the app or website. Choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies, enter the specific amount you wish to purchase, and then review your order before confirming the transaction. Securing your investment is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of protection. For larger holdings, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet, which offers superior security against online threats. Remember, the cryptocurrency market can be volatile, so always understand the risks involved before investing. To optimize your strategy, consider setting up recurring buys to dollar-cost average your investment, which can help mitigate market volatility. For those seeking more advanced trading features, explore Coinbase Advanced, which offers lower fees and more comprehensive tools. Don't forget to check the description below for links to other great deals and to learn more about the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.